I am Mohana Ambike Balakrishnan, CN180119. My part for this presentation is group formation, the invention, the features and functions. Thank you.
For group formation, the group leader is Siti Nur Atika binti Saimin, group secretary is Nur Adlina binti Ishak, and our group name is Green Tech. That is our logo. It indicates the green technology. We are studying technology and the project is about green, eco-friendly. Our group motto is know nature, value nature and act for nature. Group's war cry is everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, where we come from. So we tell them we are from Green Tech, mighty Green Tech, oh Green Tech. Group's ground rules, we have 5. First, think before speaking. 2, show up on time and come prepared, punctuality. Third, listen with open-minded. 4th, attack the problem, not the person. Number 5, contribute to meeting goals as give more ideas or your point of view.
Assalamualaikum, saya Siti Nur binti Saimin, AN 180109 daripada Seksyen 1.
Incineration. Incineration is a process that used to burn trash and some other different kind of waste until it's finally reduced to only ash. Incineration and other high temperature waste treatment systems are described as terminal treatment. Electricity can be generated by steam by using a steam turbine generator. The pressure of steam acts as a force to rotate a turbine while will produce electricity inside of a generator. After some of our discussion, our group decided to choose the incinerator as our issues where it's suitable to the title of the project that had been given, which is Save Our Environment. We decided to put some modification to the incinerator by using a steam energy instead.
Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Adlina binti Ishak. I am from Section 1. I will present about the problem statement. Assalamualaikum. I will present about problem statement. Incinerator has been used in waste management as a way to treat waste by burning. This treatment is often used in production of electricity as it burns the waste. Incinerator will cause air pollution during the burning of the waste. Incinerator will produce toxic gas such as carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. This is due to waste items incinerated contain toxins such as mercury, dioxins, and furans. Incinerator consume high energy when burning. In this treatment, fuel is predominantly waste and oxygen source is from the air. The using of fuel and fossil fuels such as natural gas, coal, wood, gasoline, and municipal solid waste in the combustion process will reduce the natural resources. Incinerator is not eco-friendly because it uses natural resources to burn the rubbish and produce air pollution. In this project, we will discuss about how to make an eco-friendly incinerator. With the aid of facts, idea, learning issue, and action plan, failure method, and evaluation metrics, we can use it as an approach to choose appropriate idea in the discussion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azila binti Muhammad Saleh. I want to present about the idea generation for our project. Idea generation. After some discussion and research among the group members, we decide to choose the incinerator using steam energy. So the advantage in incineration plant is a very expensive process where the cost of constructing the infrastructure to the operating are very high, and also the amount of energy used is also high. Other than that, incineration produces smoke during the burning process that contain acid gases, carcinogen dioxin, particulates, heavy metals, and nitrogen oxide. These gases can pollute to our environment. So our group want to make improvements or modifications in incineration plant that use high of electric energy to burn the waste generated by replace using steam energy to reduce high costs as well as can reduce people health and environmental problem. So the advantage when use steam energy is first, main raw material to generate steam is water, which is abundantly available and cheap. Steam flow in response to the pressure drop along the line. Expensive circulating pumps not needed can also reduce costs. Therefore, as we know, the steam energy no needs the combustion of fuel to fire a boiler. That means no emissions of the family pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and particulates to the air. This constitutes a significant environmental advantage where reduce the polluted air and reduce effect to human health. Finally, so ideas that our group to use steam energy as a replace of electric energy in incineration plant are the best improvement and modification to reduce the high costs.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Siti Antara binti Samin. I representing the existing idea. So we use one of the brainstorming tool, which is mind map, because mind map is an easy way to understand. By using mind map, we can show some ideas that we had to be chosen, such as landfill, compositing, recycling, gasification, and incineration, before we pick one of the best. After some discussion and research among group members, we decided to choose one of those ideas, which is incineration. We do the diversion and conversion decay process. So the reason why we choose incineration is because among those municipal solid waste method, the incineration is more exposed to the environmental issues. For landfill, compositing, and recycling, they are related to the nature, means they not involve too much with the machine that more contribute to pollution. They use land, soil, food waste, and other reused items in their process, so they have least issues with the environment. For the incineration, we can see that we could improve the incinerator to be more eco-friendly to the environment. And after do some research, we found that we could do some modification on the incinerator to be more better in environment. What is incineration? Incineration is a process that used to burn trash and some other different kind of waste until it is finally reduced to only ash. So the environmental issue that involve the incineration is first, pollution free. It is involve chemical substance and damage human health. Second, not climate friendly. Incineration emit indirect greenhouse gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide. Third, not renewable energy. Burning not renewable source for fuel violates the principle of renewable energy. Last, waste of energy. Waste to energy facilities to produce energy from waste, but recycling is far more effective form of recovering energy than others. That's all. Thank you.
4.2 The invention. After idea generation, in the part of idea selection, we select smart and portable incinerator using steam energy. For the idea implementation part, we have used creative and innovative tools. We select two. First one is implementation checklist. According to myquoted.com, they have 10 lists. First, resources available, yes. Motivation, yes. Resistance, yes. Procedures, yes. Structures, obstacle, no. Policies, yes, according to OSHA. Risk, yes. Power, no. Clashes that may implement, no. Climate change, organization environment, yes, because now we are on MCU, so we can meet face to face. Second tool, potential problem analysis. First one is smoke release may toxic to living things after burning rubbish. So we have innovated window with air filter which can filter out the smoke before letting it out. Second, water level will reduce as steam production used up water. So closed water inlet to refill the water back. Third, rubbish thrown not stuck in between because of flat surface. To reduce this problem, we have come out a inclined rubbish inlet to ease the rubbish movement. Fourth, steam escapes because it's a wide chamber. The way to limit the risk is closed air inlet between water chamber and turbine, so the steam won't escape to other part, only to turbine. This is our smart incinerator model created using AutoCAD. So the process is like this. First, spark igniter ignites rubbish. Then rubbish release heat and smoke. The heat boil the water in water chamber and release steam. Steam is directed to turbine using air inlet, and the turbine convert wind energy to kinetic energy. Generator connected to turbine then convert kinetic energy to electric energy. The electric energy produced then stored in battery of spark igniter to continue the process. 4.3 the features and 4.4 the functions. Here I have 10 features. First is HEPA filter at the window. You can see number 1, to arrest very fine particles before release the smoke out, and also charcoal filter to remove chlorine or particles such as VOC, taste or odor from the rubbish we burned. Third, turbine. Turbine is to create wind energy using steam. Convert wind energy to kinetic energy. Electric generator is to convert wind energy to electric energy. Rubbish inlet number 5 is actually to direct rubbish to combustion chamber without stucking anywhere. Water and inlet number 6 is to refill water after water is used up for steam. Number 7, combustion chamber is to safely ignite rubbish. Number 8, to spark igniter to ignite rubbish. Number 9, battery is to store the electric energy from generator and provide the energy to spark igniter to continue the process. Last but not least, air inlet to control the stick movement without escape from water chamber to turbine directly.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Khairina Batrisha binti Zuhairi. I am from section 1, BNA, and my part is I will present for conclusion. Assalamualaikum, and for the conclusion part, the first point is creativity and innovation always lead to new changes for our societies. Without the creativity and innovation, our ways of thinking always be disclosed. Third one is with method being taught in classes, we able to come up with idea of incineration plan that will environmental friendly. The fourth one is creativity and innovation is the solve to a human problem. And the last one is every challenge and problem will make human things imaginatively to create new product that will solve their problem. Thank you.